In this video, I'll cover how to deploy ttai agent on Google Meet, Zoom, and other video solution. So I'll cover three major things. Let's start with the first one. So simply to deploy an agent, you can go to the agent page and to the meeting bot. And here you could select Google Meet or Zoom, add the link, and the agent gets deployed. For example, I'll go in a different tab, open a Meet. Copy this link, go here, paste it, and then I go and hit dispatch. Now, if you go here in the meeting, then you'd see that I can add the bot here.
Hi, I'm a senior consultant at McKinsey & Company. Thanks for making the time today. We'll be working through a case interview together. Before we dive in, I'd love to hear a bit about you. Could you walk me through your background?
Yes, I'm Ajitesh, and I'm pretty interested in directly jumping onto the case. Can we get started?
That sounds great. Just so you know what to expect, this will be a case interview. I'm going to walk you through a business problem, the kind of thing a real client might bring to us. I'll lay out the situation and the question we're being asked to solve, and then it's over to you to take it from there. So here's the situation. Our client is the Avalon government, specifically the Avalon Department of Energy. Avalon is a small developing country. The department is responsible for all electricity production inside the country. The country is doing very well, with GDP growth averaging 5% over the last decade. As the economy grows, electricity demand increases,
So I'll
and
pause
the
it here
Energy
and
Department wants to ensure the country has...
I've ended the call. So a couple of things you might have noticed here. So one is that I had to let the bot in. That was because this bot was not invited. Our bot has an identity as well, which is ttai@toughtalkai.com. So if you add this email, then the bot can be auto admitted. That was the second thing I wanted to mention to you. That having an identity and how to sort of let in the bot. The second thing about this particular meeting was that the agent could use the Google Slides to present it a solution. Similarly, it can use desktop or brainstorming board or images and other things to make it points, which make it more interesting. Like it can not just talk, it can do more things than that. Now, moving to the second part, a lot of users have questions around how to let the bot auto join. And there are two ways to do that. One is that you can make the meet that you create open for any agents to join. And it's very simple to do that. I'll just show you. So anytime you create the meet, hit this sort of lock icon here, and you can open it for anyone to join. And there are similar setting in Zoom as well. So that this allows any bot to join automatically. The second way to do that is to use this Tough Talk AI and put it in the calendar, and that way the agent has the permission to join. The third thing I wanted to cover here was that how to make the agent join regularly into a meeting. For example, let's say you have a stand-up every day in the morning, or you have an interview, and every interview has the keyword interview. So what you could do is first you connect your calendar where these meetings are. Then you create an event. So for this demo, I will just go to this calendar which it has access to, and I will create a meeting right after this. And I will call it interview so that it could join. I'll give it time 11:06 so that it could have some time to go through. I will invite the bot here, and this bot I'll put in the guest, and I will save. So now there is an interview that this bot can join. And what we will do is that it should only join these kind of meeting where interview keyword is there. And I'll hit link. Now, once I hit link, in some time, it should sync the bot for the meeting here. So I just got that, okay, there is an interview meeting here, which is scheduled, and the agent would join at 11:06. So now when I go in this meeting at that particular time, the agent should auto join. So let me just wait for that. So now it's time. I'll go to the that particular invite in my calendar, and I will just do join meeting. And if you see, the ttai bot is already there, and it will do its conversation right from there. So I did not have to invite it or do anything. So these are the three things. Just if you want to make it custom join any meeting, just put it here and it will join. The second is that make sure that how you want to let it in, either keep the meeting open or invite this link. And third is you can do the calendar integration so that you control which all meeting it joins, and it can join repeat meetings. And all the meeting it joins, it records, transcribes. You can get the video, which is helpful for any form of external analysis that you want to perform. Thank you so much. Let us know any comments you might have in the link below.